When we had Dylan, there were no issues.
All the numbers came up fine. The heartbeat was good.
Once the pulse oximetry testing was done, everything changed. His oxygen level was critically low.
Hooked up all them for a kid.
The day before Dylan was born, the law was passed that every newborn baby in the state of New Jersey had to have the pulse oximetry screening.
It was a nurse who pushed for that law and developed the screening toolkit for hospitals. Do you know her name?
I know her first name is Elizabeth.
Yeah.
She pushed for this, and that's the reason why he's here today.
She's welcome to our home any day of the week.
Oh my gosh.
Heather. I'm so honored to be a part of your story. Hi, buddy.
My colleagues and I developed a toolkit that recommends that all babies are screened for CCHD using the pulse oximetry test. I think that by nature, nurses are innovators. We have a perspective that no one else in the hospital has. If you're a nurse and you have an idea about how to improve patient outcomes, run with it.